Pros race. This is the pros race.
Oh, look at the yawn. Lord knows you need it to race them, right?
There goes another.
You know what? It might be somebody here because I still smell it.
I thought it was this crowd coming this way. I didn't smell it.
I still smell it, so it might just be.
What is that?
It's called weed, Ian. It is a drug. Don't do it. Smells like a skunk.
Marijuana.
Hi.
Must be from over there.
Funny story. When my daughter was a young teenager, she had a Justin Bieber poster in her bedroom, and she came downstairs and she set the poster in the living room. She's like, "I'm done with him." She said he smokes pot, weed, and marijuana. And I'm like, all three, Bailey. And James is like, "It's the same thing." And I'm like, "Wait a minute, how did you know?"
See, I was as naive as her when I was that age. Like, I didn't even smell weed till I was like 18. Like, I sheltered life.
Well, she was dating a boy at 16. So she's talking about her relationship with the boy, and he's like, "Well, if we're like this,
I gotta go to the woods.
Into the woods.
Too dusty. Yeah. Not fun.
Oh, good. I need a drink.
That's it.
I do. I'm empty.
so she said, so if we're not dating, what are we?" She said, "Well, we're just friends with benefits."
Oh my gosh, how funny. I had no
But she
clue
had no
what she
idea
was
yet,
saying.
so he went home and told
What
her
are the benefits?
that just, here.
Oh my god, look at this little one in the side by side.
It'll be a year next month, right? This month. What was his date?
There you go. Like, subscribe.